Okay, guys, here's the layout for the kitchen, the size and scale. Let's see here. Our fridge cab. This cabinet's about 24 wide, so we could put a wine captain beverage cooler here. Obviously, this is clipped. Triangle cab, 30-inch range, 30-inch hood, and verify that we can duct it out. Spice pull-out tray divider here. Dishwasher. Our sink is pretty wide. I think it's about 40, but they're normally 36. Let's see here. Sink cab is 43 and a half. Normal sink width is 36. It's just an awkward space left and right. What to do with that? But that works for now. We just have a wide cabinet. There just isn't enough room to have a cabinet. If we did a 36-inch wide cabinet, not enough room left and right to put anything useful there. Our drawer stack, or door, drawer and a door with rollouts, either or. Face of the peninsula. Then we'd have an 12-inch overhang off the back. So if we're looking down from the front edge of the fridge leg across, we've got 53 inches. And right now, this is 5 feet. This comes out 5 feet. So we could bring it out maybe a foot more. I mean, you can get 2 chairs here easily. But if we added a foot to it, we could do that too. And we can, let's see, look here at this fridge cabinet. This wall is 29 wide. This fridge cab's 37. So we've got a pretty big void space here to fill in. So, all right, let me know what you think. Thanks.